Clearbrook, North Dallas, Argyle, Texas, and also a location in Carrollton, Texas. 2020 M5 Comp, full front, Xpel Ultimate Plus. And we're gonna take a walk around this just to show the finished product. The rear end from the front doors back and the carbon fiber roof, we're done with Feynlabs Heallite ceramic coating. Complete paint correction, polish, decontaminated, obviously everything done before anything's applied. That is standard with all of our cars. No extra charge. So let's start with the hood and the fenders. Just the big key. I get a lot of people in the shop still today that ask, do we wrap edges and things like that? And that is our standard practice. There is no extra charge. Here you can see we don't notch out hoods, we wrap the full thing. Everything gets wrapped all the way around and as tight as we can get it. We don't take headlights out, we don't do any of that. The button, the emblem here was removed, so the clear bra is all the way underneath. So that hood came out crystal clear as it should. Black is always fun, but nevertheless not a problem for me. The front bumper, very simple to put on. All the edges, every edge on that is wrapped. As we come around to this side, again, everything's wrapped in here, around the top, coming around the door, wrapping inside all the way down to the rocker. Mirrors were all done fully, stocks, lower sections, everything wrapped. Coming around the back side here, there we are with our ceramic, nice and clear, nice and flat, just like it should be. Everything, nothing in it, no problems with this paint. You can see the clear reflection of the other. There's a Tesla 3 in that picture right there. But anyway, nevertheless, we're good with this car all done, getting ready for delivery. And of course we did a bumper strip. We do those complimentary in the back here along the bumper. It goes all the way from here all the way around. We do those custom. We never use a kit on those because we want to cover the entire opening. So there you go, guys. Need some Clearbrook, North Dallas, give us a call. We also always compliment our people with as much as we can get off of the roll for you. So if there's extra film, we have no problem placing it in places for you at no extra charge. Clearbrook, North Dallas, 940-703-8301. Have a great day.